Simple and delicious chicken breast recipe. The result will surprise you.
For this recipe, wiele pasa voordat procedure was pufizis to chicken breasts. With a knife, I will cut these breasts in half and open the parts. To season, I will add salt, black pepper, food coloring and oregano. And I will spread these seasonings very well with my fingers. Take the opportunity to tell me where you are watching us from so I can send you a special hug and thank you for following our recipes. We love hearing from you. To continue, we will need a tomato. I will cut this tomato into slices. Friends, this recipe is a great option for dinner. This chicken breast is very tasty and juicy. It's worth making. We will also need mozzarella cheese. I will cut it into slices. I am going to take some slices of cheese and add it here to the chicken breasts we seasoned. After that, I am going to add some slices of tomato. If you have watched this video up to now, it's a sign that you are enjoying our recipe. So click the like button and comment here. I love chicken. Now, I am going to close the chicken breasts and with a knife, I am going to make some cuts on top. In a serving dish, I will add a little oil and spread it well with a kitchen brush. Then I will add the chicken breasts inside. I will add a pinch of salt,
A pinch of coloring,
and a bit of oil on top. I will spread these seasonings well with the kitchen brush. I will put it in the oven at 200 degrees for 50 minutes. And our recipe is ready. You can enjoy it now. I really hope you enjoyed our recipe. Thank you very much for watching this video up to here. See you in the next video. Goodbye.